Atumia aria mohete nda thiini wa kaunti ya Nakuru mari ugwati-ini wa kugumirwo ni murimu wa anemia, thina uria urakuruhanio na mirire itari mikinyaniru. Kuringana na minista wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino Kariuki Gichuki, indo nyingi iria irathondekwo na kwendio matuka-ini itikinyanirie ikiro iria ciagiriire hari guthingatithia ugima mwega wa mwiri.
Although companies are complying in fortifying, but they are not doing it the right way. So you can find a compliance of over 80%, but now putting the ingredients the way they are supposed to be could be around 46%.
We are not doing so well as a county and as well as a country because we are only at 28% of compliance. Compliance means doing the right thing. So we may have accepted to 45, but when you actually check the actual compliance, what goes into the product is only at 28%.
Uthuthuria wa ica ikuhi ukionania ati ene iganda na aria mathiaga mitu na mihirige ingi ya irio matirakinyaniria ikiro iria ciagiriire kuringana na watho.
Our mission and our vision is a healthy county. We want the people and manufacturers in Nakuru to follow the law, so that all the food that is supposed to be fortified and is produced in this county is fortified. For example, unga, that is for ugali and for chapati. Oils, we have major refineries in Nakuru and major milling stations here, and also salt. We also require that salt is put iodine so that we reduce incidences of goiter.
Thina uyu wihiriirio ni garama ya iguru ya muturire kuona indo ingi ta mboga na matunda iria cingihuthika guteithiriria mwiri riu cigite goro na ti aingi mangihota kugura. Niguo kugacirithia ikiro cia ugima wa mwiri, riu thirikari ya kaunti ino ni itashukitie ikinya kuheana vitamin kuri ciana cia thukuru cia nathari oro undu umwe na atumia aria mohete nda.
And some of the things which are very important in growth of children are those things we are calling micronutrients. The things that we don't see. Zinc, iron, folate, vitamin B1, B2, all those.
Gukiri uguo ene iganda ni mahetwo mukaana gutigirira ni matia watho ta uria ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rwendekithitie. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.